going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's been such a long time since I posted anything, but I'm back. I'm gonna start uploading once a week again, but so many things have changed since the last video. If you notice, I'm in an S2000. This is actually a new S2000. This is a 2008. My old one was an 05. And long story short, I got hit by a semi-truck. I can't really go into the details of it, but my old one is gone. But yeah, today I'm going to introduce you guys to the new S2000 and catch you guys up on the channel. So stay tuned. And this is it, guys. But to start off, I still have the SI, I still have the Prelude, and the Evil's still around. So I'm going to make videos of those cars as well. But yeah, this is it. When I first got the car, I had to get the front fenders painted and then the front bumper painted, and it didn't come with the lip. I actually had to slip in the garage from my old S2000. But overall, she looks pretty good now. And it does have AP2 V1 wheels. I do have AP2 V2 wheels in the garage that I'm going to throw on it from my old S2000. And that's actually my old hardtop from my old S2000. And this does have an exhaust. I don't think it sounds as good as the UK exhaust mod, but the only things I've done so far is I added this OEM spoiler. I kind of miss my old one. I'm gonna post a clip of my old one and you guys can tell me if the old one looks better than the new one. I think maybe the old one looks better with the hardtop. I'm still on the fence whether I like the CR style lip more or the OEM optional lip. I think the CR lip does look really good. I'm gonna rock it for a bit, and it is missing the grill in the front. I actually just ordered that from Honda, so that should be here soon. But yeah, this is it. It's called Too Soon Junior 2.0. But I'm gonna show you guys what I really like about the car, and that is red carpet. Yeah. And the cluster, this has the updated cluster that kind of wraps around. Yeah, kind of like an AP1 style, but it's an AP2, but they updated, I think in 2008 and 09 they made it like this. All right, next I'm going to show you guys what's under the hood.
Hey, pop the hood. Pop the hood.
And it's absolutely nothing. It's all stock except for this cold air intake. And cold air, I mean super cold air, because it's like 15 degrees outside, maybe 20. But yeah, nothing really done here other than that exhaust. I'm going to show you guys the clip off. When I first got it, it was actually running a little rough. It had a rough idle. Long story short, I did a lot of research and I ended up having to do a valve adjustment, and that did it. But let's get an exhaust clip, and I want you guys to tell me if this exhaust sounds better than my old UK exhaust mod on my old S2000. This has a Megan Racing exhaust, and it actually has Megan coilovers too, and really nice Hankook tires. But yeah, let's get an exhaust clip. I don't really know which one I like more. I think this sounds really good. It's really loud. It sounds really aggressive. But I think I like the old sound of my old S2000 with a UK exhaust mod. I don't know. You guys tell me if you like this exhaust more or the old. All right, I'm going to show you guys how loud this car sounds inside. Here, let's rev it first. She's a little loud. A lot louder than the UK exhaust mod, like when you're inside. But sounds so good though. It does get annoying, I'm not gonna lie, but it sounds good. Man, I'm gonna miss that exhaust when I get rid of it. But the main reason I want to swap the exhaust is because I really like the look of the dual exhaust on the S2000s. So I think that's gonna look a little bit better. And I don't know, I might go with the stock exhaust unless I find like a really good aftermarket dual exhaust, which I found a couple. They're just really expensive and they don't do much anyway. And before we end today's video, I'm going to show you guys a clip of me doing donuts in my old S2000 for the first time ever, like on dry pavement. The clips might be pretty bad because they were taken on a cell phone and they're like old clips. But thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next video. And I hope you guys enjoy the videos of me spinning my old S2000. Bye.